Hello, once again, you are welcome to Math Fusions, and I want to welcome you especially for those of you who are just viewing for the first time, also those of you who are yet to subscribe, and those of you who are subscribed already. Please, I want to encourage those of you that have not yet subscribed to please subscribe to this channel. Help me to build this channel so that I'll be encouraged to post more videos that will not just help only you, but will help so many other people that will come into this channel as a result of YouTube recommending my videos to many people. So please help me to subscribe to this channel, and also like our videos. You can leave a comment and also share our videos with your friends and families. Now let's dive into the lesson for today. Now for today we are taking number 2. We are still continuing with our Waec 2024 series, and we are taking question 2. Now question 2 reads, given that P equals to, that is P is such that 1 is less than P is less than 20, where P is an integer and R is R such that 0 is less than equals to R is less than equals to 25, where R is a multiple of 4. Then we are asked to find P intersection R. Now, this is a question of set, and what I'm going to do is to try my best to break down this question for you so that you can understand. Now, for a start, let's take this first value, P equals to, so we'll write it out. Let's start with that. So we can say P is the set of number P such that P, 1 is less than P, 1 is less than P, and is less than 20. Okay, 1 is less than P and is less than 20. All right. So, and do not forget that we are told that the property of this set, the members of this set, is that P is an integer. All right. An integer could be a positive or negative number, but as you can see here, we are starting with 1 and we are ending with 20, so which means all these are positive numbers. But take note of the inequality sign, less than, which tells you 1 is not included and 20 is not included in the definition of what P is. So we can write this as P equals to, so when we are listing the numbers, we're not going to include 1. We'll start with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we'll continue till we get to 19 before we stop. Now, why are we stopping at 19? Because the property of this set says that the members must not include 20. So that's why I say less than 20. There's no equals to. So we are stopping at 19. Now, let's do the same thing for set R. Okay, we are told that R, which is the small letter R, is such that 0 is less than equals to R less than equals to 25. So write it out. Big R, then we'll write out R is such that 0 is less than equals to what? R less than equals to 25. So let's list out all the possible members here. But there is, in listing it out, bear in mind the property. We are told here that R is what? A multiple of what? 4. So all the numbers that are multiple of 4 that lies between 0 and 25, with 0 and 25 inclusive, because the equality sign that is less than equals to tells you that 0 is also involved in R and 25 is also involved in R. However, if we are listing all the elements in this set, we are going to focus only on those that are multiples of 4. You know, when you say multiples of 4, 4 times 1 and 4, 4 times 2, 8, 12, and all of that. Okay, so we are going to write it out here. We'll start by saying 4 times 2 is 8, times 3 is 12, times 4, 16, times 5, that is what? 20, times 6, 24. Now, you see, we are going to stop at this 24. Now, why are we stopping at 24? Even if this one is included, we are stopping at 24 because according to the properties, we are told that the elements here are multiples of 4, and 25 is not a multiple of 4. So that's why we did not include it here. You see, that's the trick in answering this question. So now that we have gotten to this level, we can now bring the question P intersection R. So in listing the elements of P intersection R, the intersection sign tells you what is common to P and what is also common to R. So if you check, P here have 2, there is no 2 here, but we have 4. So we list it out, 4. Then we have 8, of course. After 7 is 8 here, okay? So write it out, 8. We are having 12. If you continue your counting, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, you see is common. Then we have 16. Over here we also have 16. 16. We have 20, but here there is no 20 because the element in set P only stops at 19, which tells you that 16 is going to be the last common element for P and R. And here you have it. This is now the solution to this problem. So let's dive into the question again and see if what we did is correct. So of course, you can see the correct option for 8, 12, and 16 is option B. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I'm sure you do. So once again, I want you to join me in my next class as I will bring in more solutions in Waec 2024. So please don't forget, help me in this channel, help me to build this channel, share the content of this channel, like it, also comment and subscribe. Please do subscribe. All my subscribers and returning subscribers, thank you. And those of you that have been watching without subscribing, please subscribe and help me to build this channel. I will see you next time.